let's talk about your care profile. Tip number 1, upload a photo. Caregivers are 5 times more likely to get hired with a photo, and having one is required to get booking requests that come straight to you. Be sure to look professional and show the real you. Good lighting, no sunglasses, no filters. Number 2, fill out that About Me section. Sitters with more than 500 characters in their bio get 20% more responses. Families want to know about you, so share away. List your prior experience, any professional certifications you have, and add special skills like homework help and second languages. Finally, ask for reviews. Caregivers are contacted by more than 28 times as many families if they have a review. And if you've got more than one, even better. Families rely on these reviews to learn about your dependability, trustworthiness, and compatibility. So ask for a thoughtful review after every job to make sure you can strut your stuff. You got this.